Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to make assistive touch in Scratch. As you can see here, this is usually in Apple products like iPhone, iPad, iPod, etc. So as you can see, we won't make the menu part, but we'll make this how to snap to the screen. As you can see, when left abandoned, it goes to any edge and sticks to it. So let's get started. Make a new project. So I need a new sprite, assistive touch. So I have this assistive touch here. Let's increase the size 300 so it looks like the assistive touch. And you need one more sprite called display or border. I call it border. Set x to 0 and y to 0. Costume to 1. Delete this sound, we won't need it. Make a simple box with a very thick border. So this is the assistive touch. So let's get started with coding. When the green flag clicked, forever, if, or put your if else, touching mouse pointer and mouse down, put this inside the if condition. Then make a variable called mouse control for the sprite only. Set mouse control to 1 and in else put set mouse control to 0. So then make a broadcast method. Broadcast go to mouse pointer. So when I receive go to mouse pointer, go to mouse pointer, and then if mouse control is equal to 1, then again broadcast it, or else it won't. So I'm doing this in this way. I could put it here and delete this variable, I don't need it, but for some reason we need this script. So now you can see I can drag it in the player and even in this. So now put here go to x0 and y0. Now let's start other thing. So now when the green flag clicked, forever, there an if else statement. If else, or if x position is greater than 0, then repeat until touching edge, change x by 10, and duplicate this and put it here. If x position, put another one. If x position is less than 0, then repeat until touching edge, change x by minus 10, or you can decrease the speed to 5 and minus 5. Then duplicate this, but in the put it in this if statement and put here if x position is equal to 0, then change x by 10, or sorry, change x by 5 till touching edge. You can replace this by border rather than edge. So now it's colliding in the edge, as you can see. you can put here an if statement. If mouse control is equal to 0, so now it won't clash with the script. So now let's make for the y. So just replace change x by change y, and x position by y position. Change y by 5, change y by minus 5, and change y by 5. So just put it here. This is a good script. So let's see the player. Scratch 3 removed the option for can drag in player for sprites in Scratch, which was available in Scratch 2. So we made this script to work it here. If you are using in Scratch 2, no need to make this. You can just go to the sprite information and check the can drag in player. So it collides, as you can see here, but it is not very responsive to go to mouse pointer. If we drag it very fast, so it loses the mouse pointer. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next tutorial.